My name is Kosuke.
Kosuke?
Yeah.
You are from Japan, yeah?
Yeah,
Right?
I'm from Japan.
And sorry, but I have no idea to how to talk English perfectly, okay?
Yeah.
And do you know Nepali?
Yeah. First time Nepali.
Do you know Nepali language?
I don't know. Dhanyabad. Namaste.
Then how can you stay in Nepal?
From Kathmandu to Pokhara.
Kathmandu to Pokhara?
Yes.
By walking?
Yeah, walking.
Mama.
And Pokhara to Lumbini, walking. Lumbini to India.
Are you sure?
Buddha place. I interested in Buddha.
How old are you?
27.
27?
Yes.
Are you married?
Yeah.
Kathmandu to Pokhara is too long area.
Yeah.
It's too remote area.
Yeah. Kathmandu to Pokhara, very short.
No, sir. It's too long.
Nepal to India, total 2,000 kilometers. I'm walking.
You eating food or not?
No. Many eat.
Eat.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
But I'm shocked.
Yeah.
You are traveling by step.
Yeah.
Kathmandu to Pokhara.
Yeah.
It's so shocking message. Oh my god. साथीहरु हैन अब जापानमा त एउटा ब्रदर भेटिनु भएको छ है काठमाडौँदेखि अब मेरो पनि इङ्ग्लिस त्यति नै गरिब छ हैन अब के भन्ने है अब बोर्डिङ बोर्डिङ धेरै नै भयो उहाँ चाहिँ काठमाडौँदेखि पोखरा हैन खुट्टाले हिँड्दै के आमा कान्ट बिलिभ के तपाईहरुले विश्वास गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ your leg is paining or not now
Paining?
your leg are paining or not
Shoes?
पेन मतलब कस्तो भन्ने यार ये मैले फेरि बच्चामा इङ्ग्लिस सिक्न पर्ने रहेछ के यार बेइज्जती भयो के मेरो यार
Chatens?
From Japan in walking in I think this like है ल बल्ल भयो हेर्नुभयो I am walking from Kathmandu to Pokhara. How much target to have? How much target to have to by cross Kathmandu to Pokhara?
Today?
Target. How many days to target do you have traveling by step?
Yeah.
Kathmandu to Pokhara.
About 10 days.
10 days?
Yeah, today is 3 days.
It's impossible. I think possible or not. I don't know, but it's too hard.
No problem.
कस्तो म त सक भयो कि म त यो बाइक मैले त ढाड दुखिरहेको छ हैन Do you have any channel? Do you have any channel? Channel.
China?
Channel मतलब Do you have any channel, YouTube channel or TikTok channel? Are you a blogger or not?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blogger?
I'm blogger. Yeah.
Blogger. Then where is your camera?
Yeah. My YouTube.
194 subscribe. Oh man, some famous रहेछ मान्छे पनि if you have time then can you spend with me together by eating snacks?
Snacks? No. Okay.
If you have time.
Yeah, I have time.
Okay,
yeah,
then.
Okay.
Please sit here.
Yeah.
अब उसँग टाइम छ हैन उसँग टाइम छ अब स्न्याक्स खाम भनेर मैले रिक्वेस्ट गरे हो अब साथीहरुले पनि मानिसकेको छ हैन सो ट्राई दिम न त हैन जापानिज प्लस नेपाली हैन सो कीप वाचिङ ओके